In this video we're going to unbox the Bona Orbital Sander. So as official distributors of the Bona products here at Ultimate Floor Care, we really like to open up the boxes, have a look at the machines and use them ourselves. So we're going to dive into this box and see what we've got in. So in the box, when you buy the Bona Orbital Sander, you have some different heads to put on the machine. So we've got a hard and we've got a soft. Yeah, we've got a hard fusion pad, and we've got a medium fusion pad. We've got the instructions. We've got some tools and clips in here. And then we've got the machine itself. Now before I start running through all of the things that come with it, we'll just run through basically what this machine is used for. So this is for medium to fine sanding. If you're using a edger and you're doing an aggressive cut around the edges, the problem you'll kind of come across is that you'll have picture framing if you don't get rid of the scratch pattern. So this thing will really get rid of the scratches, so you'll use this as your final sander. And sometimes if you've got a really soft finish, it can actually be used to remove the finish too. But mainly it's for your intermediate to fine sanding. Great little handheld tool, and it can also be, you can also change the head on the machine. So here we have medium head. So this will be for your intermediate to fine sanding. So the difference of it is it's going to have a softer cushion on the head. And then we have your half plate, so this is going to have a lot stiffer head, so it's going to be more for your medium, coarse to medium sanding. So to put the heads on the machine, we are just going to simply, if you see there's a mandrel there and it's just a thread, we're just going to thread it on there. That's on there nice and tight. If we want to remove it, we don't want to have the hard plate, we want to have a medium plate on it. We use the spanner that's been provided and we get it in between the machine and the head to lock the nut that's in here in position, and then just twist. Then that can easily come off. So interchangeable heads for this machine, brilliant tool that we can use in different types of floors or different types of finishes. So we can use it to remove the finish, or we can use it for intermediate to fine sanding. Also on here we have it's a brushless motor, so you won't have to change the brushes on it. So we also have here the trigger for this is a pad push. So when I'm using it, I'm just going to simply push the pad down, and that's good to go. We're going to use it like this, so no switches on it. We also have a speed adjustment here, so if we're doing coarse and fine sanding, we can change the speed adjustment on the edge here. We have a digital display to say whether there's power going into the machine or not. At the back here we have a vacuum attachment for removing dust. And then in the pad you can see for maximum dust efficiency we have the exhaust holes as well. Also in the box we have these little clips. So what these are little clips that are going to go onto your wires, and this is just act as cable tidies. So you clip them onto the wire, and then this clip will just go around your vacuum hose that's connected, just to stop these all fraying and getting in your way. So Bona Orbital Sander available here at Ultimate Floor Care. For more information you can find our link in the comments below.